Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And today we're talking about working out. And a company called iTHEARU who sent me their new workout system. It's a push-up board, but it offers so much more because you can do several other body parts. So what I like about it is you can work your chest with different types of push-ups, and you can do your triceps and that, as well as using the resistance bands, which I love because that's what I do on a regular basis. I use a resistance band as a workout. So they have a more simplified system. So this may complement what you're currently using. I think it would be great if you're traveling and you want to take this on the go with you, or you just want a nice light workout. For me, I don't know if I could see using this as my main workout, but I think that this definitely has some advantages. Again, for me, like I'm going to be going traveling here not long from now and take this in my car, and then I could use this when I work out. This, again, is by iTHEARU, who sent me this to try out and to share with you, and I'll be sure to put a link in the description as well as in the comment section below so you could check it out. Let's talk about what's included. You got the box here. It's got a good information sheet, like an instruction sheet, which gives you some suggestions on different exercises. Talks about obviously everything that's included. So let's talk about next what's included. You got the board. Now what's cool about the board, it's plastic first of all. So you're going to use this for everything. You're going to use this from doing your push-ups and your triceps and other works with the handlebars. And then you've got your hooks, so you can use resistance bands for your arms, for curls, and also you have the workout bar. So I'll show you how that all comes together. On the back side, you have wheels, so this does wheel, and it works perfectly on a hard surface like this. And then it also has a resistance band to separate the board so you can really take advantage of doing different exercises on like your stomach as well. So let's talk about some of the things that you could do right away here. First of all, like if I start with my chest, they're color-coded, so you can work different parts of your chest, your tris, your biceps and your back, and so it is color coded depending upon what different exercises you want to do. And what I usually do first, which is really cool, is I take these plastic handles and it's got a rubberized grip to it, and then you could do like a standard push-up. Now these go into these little slots and they stay in well, and then you could start off like doing a chest workout. So that is one thing you could do. Again, if you want to go wider and you want to have a nice wide push-up, you can go nice and wide. So you get those in there, and then again, just do that. Now what's cool is while you're doing your push-up, you could slide this wider, come back, extend that, and come back. So you can really get creative with that resistance band and being able to make that go side to side. So that is using these two handles. Again, these they go right into the different slots, and they're color coded. And so you'll find that you learn, and you can do your triceps and other exercises as well. So that is this. Then the next system we have here, we have these bungees that then hook up to these hooks, and then you have these handles as well, where you can do some upper body. So I'm going to put one here and one on here. So what I like about this one, you can widen the board, you can do your shoulders, you can do curls with it. Now the thing about the resistance, it's not the tightest resistance, but with a number of sets, you do feel like you're burning. So you're going to have to do more repetitions. It's a tongue twister. You'll have to do more repetitions per set. So again, you can do your shoulders. You can even do some crisscrosses, which is very cool. So you can do a lot there with this workout, and you can start feeling in your back as well. Again, while it's not the most intense resistance, you will still feel like you get a good workout when you're going to be on your 25th or 26th pull. So I definitely find that's the case. Then you could take this to the next level, and you can then put the bar on and get additional workout there. So I'm just going to give you some ideas what you can do with this. And you can quickly change out this system quickly and easily to get your full body workout, make it a fun experience. So you can do like some squats with this. So you can, what you could do is step on the board, put this over your shoulders, and then just get some, squats in, and you can adjust the width. So that's another great way that you can use this. You can do some overhead resistance workout as well. That's another way you can do, and you can really feel the resistance. I love it. One of the things which I like about using the resistance bands, it is not going to be, for some people, working out with free weights is more intense and more challenging on your joints. With resistance, it's not going to be that type of a workout, which I like. And for me, with my back, this is a much more smarter way that I can work out, which I really like. Again, you could do so many different types of exercises as well with the bar. Now, one last thing just wanted to show you as well that you can do with this. You can take this, actually I'll just take off from the bottom, push this off to the side. Then it has a pad here, and you could put that right on here. That stays on there, and you could take a handle, and you put the handle there, and then you could just get some stomach exercises. So you really can get a full workout as well. We got the stomach. And then one other last exercise, which I wanted to show you for the legs. And again, I am still learning for using this and getting the most maximum workout. And so for the legs, you attach these back to the bottom, like this. And by the way, the bar does come apart. You push these in, and these come off, and then you could easily put it back on. So when you're traveling, you could break it down very easily. So what you could do for the legs, let me get this out of the way. And again, this is a very quick, easy to do. Put the handle wraps on, and what you do is you put these over your foot with your shoe. Got this side. Now I'm going to do this side as well. And you might need to take something for your knees, as this is a hard surface. And you could take the bar. So you take one bar. You could put it. You could actually put it down there, and you can put this here. And then once you get this set up, you can then do a leg exercise where you can extend and use the resistance bands for your legs as well. And so, which is great there. So as you can see, there are a number of different ways that you can get a workout in with this. One is you get a good feel. Again, for me, this would complement with what I'm using. I'm going to be going away, so this would be great to take to travel, but you certainly can get a great workout in. There's so many other things that you can do with this, but I wanted to get you to get an idea. So do check it out. Click on the link in the description. Learn more, and if it made sense, you can order it. If you have any questions, let me know. If you get it, let me know how your workouts are going. We'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.